Hoy, kamusta? There is no such thing as overnight success. Sabi nga po sa Galatians 6:9, do not be weary in doing good, for at the proper time, you will reap a harvest if you do not give up. Ibig pong sabihin, sa pagiging successful, kailangan po natin ng patience, ng consistency, perseverance, at persistence. Kaya wag na wag kang maiinip kahit anong mangyari. Hanggat maaari, wag na wag mong i-entertain lahat ng pakiramdam mo na sobrang negative at parang pakiramdam na walang nangyayari. Alam mo ba kung bakit? Kasi ayaw ng kalaban na maging successful ka. Kaya whatever you're doing right now at meron kang goal, wag na wag kang hihinto. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang at always think positive. And syempre, always pray and lagi mong i-rely kay Lord lahat ng goals mo and dapat yung will niya ang sundin natin. Yun lang, ingat, God bless!